everybody, this is Callie with Jemminz. Welcome back to my channel, and we are going to open up another 10 oysters, pearls. The Akoya oyster pearls are here, and we are going to open up 10 of the shells, and I'm going to show you those pearls, and these will be going in our new bath bombs. And if you haven't watched my previous videos, go watch them. Link one of the ways up there. Thanks everybody. Let's turn this down and let's start opening pearls. All right, there we go. Pull this in a little bit so you can see that, and we're going to wash that off. And we've got an oyster thing in our caliper. Let me make sure that we reset it here. There we go. All right, let's open up our first pearl today. I'm super excited to bring these to you. Last time we opened up, we got a whole bunch of pink ones. I did mix these shells up when I got them, so I'm not quite sure what all we're going to get here today. Keep going down here. And for those of you who saw my last video, I have not found that pearl yet. I do not know where it went. It is in the bucket. I just can't find it. So we're still looking for that bucket or that pearl. It'll mysteriously pop up in one of these videos here. Look at that pretty green. Ooh. I need to go get a new towel. All right, let's see what the size of this one is. This one is 6.67. There you go. I'll put that down there. Put that right there at the top. Actually, what I should do is turn this around for you guys so you can see it. There you go. Put the shell towards you so you can see it. All right. The bath bomb pearls have been selling really, really well. I reset my website so that we have more pearls in there. So currently we have 49 pearls because I don't know where that other one is. Or actually we had 10 up. We sold those, and now we're going with the next 10. So I'm going to try and release 10 a week. Ooh, that one's a pink one. But if I can get, yeah, there's nothing in there. But we will have up to 50 of them up on the website eventually, and then I will have more coming. I have ordered some more since we sold so much, which is pretty awesome. So keep those sales coming. We really appreciate it here at the shop. 6.59. And if you haven't been on the shop, we have other things. I have my essential oil line and essential oil items, blends, and single essential oils available. I diluted them down with the coconut oil. However, if you are allergic to coconut oil and you don't like it, grapeseed oil is available. So feel free to go on and order those oils. I am a certified aromatherapist, and that's part of why we're doing this. I want to go all natural, and I thought, oh wow, this would be really cool to add into my shop. So if I can get that, it doesn't want to break. Oh, and I feel, oh, ooh, that's a dark one. Let me put that in there and make sure there's not a twin. I can't get to this back corner here. It doesn't want to open up. Doesn't, I can't get that muscle to break down. No, I don't think there's anything in there. I can feel it. I'll check that shell again later. There isn't a twin in there. I saw that. All right. Wow, look at that pretty dark one. That one's like almost a mermaid. If I can get it on there. It's really a dark, dark green. Wow. Look at that pretty pearl. Oh, that is beautiful. Wow, look at that comparison. That is amazing. I did mix these up, but somehow they decided to stay together. So I'll have to shake that bucket up really good. Okay, I think I got that muscle to cut this time. There is a muscle in there. Oh, I got it. Yay. And then where did the pearl go? Oh, there it is. It's right there. Ooh. Kind of a mauve red. Okay, so there's nothing in there. darker red. It's really pretty. Kind of a, I can't describe that one. There you go. Isn't that beautiful? 6.20 pearl. Put that right there. Let's open number 5. Although this one looks like it's partially opened already. So let's see if we can break it down. Ooh, there's a pretty big one in there. There. Now I'm starting to get them to open. Okay, that's a good shell. I may take that one to my farmer's market and give that to my customer. Yeah, there's nothing more in there. I have to tell you that opening up a saltwater pearl shell, and oh, that is a really big one, and opening up a regular freshwater pearl is totally different. Okay, 6.19 or 91, excuse me. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It's pretty kind of like a pinkish white. Oh, that is a pink. Cool. Okay. Let's see if we can open this one up. There we go. Got it. There it is. Anything else in there? Nope. Nothing else in there. Let's get that cleaned up. Another pink. Looks like I got a batch of pinks this time. Look at that pretty pearl. It's kind of a rosy pink. That one is a 6.9698, just under 7. There we go. This is the next one up. I love these little ones because sometimes you get the biggest pearls in there. I opened one up the other day. It was a little one, and it had it was a size of it had a size 9 pearl in it. I was surprised. No. Okay, well that one's blue. I can't get back in that corner. Let me pop that in there to keep it clean. There it goes. Yeah, there's nothing else in there. Let's go to this corner. There we go. It's pretty blue. Now these bath bombs will be random, so the colors will just be picked and made. So who knows what color you're going to get when you go to order your pearl. So definitely get on there and order more than one, because if you do that, the chances of you getting a color that you want, like a pink or a blue or a green, are rise the more you purchase them. So this one I'm just going to open up because it's loose. Well, there's the pearl. It's in there. Okay. This is going to be stubborn, I can tell. It's this side I need to break because it won't open up there. There we go. Now I released it. Oh, maybe not. My kitty cat's saying, Mom, I want in. I have a little baby kitty that has a vet appointment today. We're going to go get her fixed. Okay, I'm going to put that aside because I can't get it open, and I don't know if there's a twin in there or not. So I'm going to set this one aside. I'll show you what it is, but I'll set it aside so if there is a twin in there, that we make sure we put it together. So, all right, 6.95 is the size. Whoop, don't go anywhere. I already lost it. Let's see if we can pick that up again. Oh, I'm glad I remeasured that, 7.20. So there we go. I'm gonna put that down at the bottom because if there's a twin in that shell, I want to be able to make sure it goes together. So far, no twins, all singles, but that's okay. I'll have to order. See if the company can throw some in there for everybody. If not, what I may do is I might surprise somebody with a double. I'd like to do that. We'll see what happens. Okay, and that one is another light blue. Definitely not another one in there. That one's a really pretty blue. These are just gorgeous. maybe not. Okay, last one's going to be stubborn. I can tell. Oh, I got it to break. Ah, there's an opening. Sometimes they give you an opening, sometimes they don't. Ooh, that one's a pretty one. Let me see if I can get this other side opened. See if, wow, this one's going to be stubborn. There, I got it. Nope, nothing there. There's that blue. Pretty blue one. Yeah, there's nothing else in there. All right, so we got a better mix of pearls in this one. Oh, don't go anywhere. That one is a 6.91. There you go. Thereabouts. All right, now let me open up this one and let me see if there's anything in this one. Real quick. I don't think there is. These seem to be all singles. Yeah, there's nothing else in there. Okay, so there's nothing else in that one. So we have our pearls then. Clean this up a little bit. Let me bring that back up in here. Let me clean my hands off. Bring that one back up here with us. All right, so there are your 10 pearls that we opened up. Those are going to be added to our mix of pearls, so definitely go and get those pearls. You could randomly get one of these in your mix and your bath bomb. I'm so happy to be able to bring these bath bombs to you guys. Just so you guys know, the bath bombs are not scented, but they do have a color a surprise in them. So the color that is in there is not going to be the color of your pearl. That's going to be a complete surprise until you unwrap that pearl. So somebody asked me if I could do the scented pearls or scented bath bombs, and I just can't find a scent that works with everybody. So I'm looking into that. I'm trying to find a really good C type scent that would work, and so far I'm not finding one that's universal and everybody likes. So I'm just going to leave them as I'm going to leave them as they are, and there will be a color in there, a color burst, and I'll show you. I'll do a demo on how I'm making them, and then you guys can see how they are. So all right, there you go. There's our next 10 pearls and our pearl bath bombs. Have a good day, you guys. Bye.